Okay, so let's talk about keyword research with the keyword planner tool. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your Google AdWords account. And then from the top, you're going to go into tools and settings over here. Then over here in the planning stage, you're going to go into keyword planner. Once you come in, this is something new now that Google AdWords has come up with. This is in November 2022, towards the end of 2022. So this is something fairly new that Google AdWords has come out with. So as and when we create more and more of these tutorials, we'll go in depth into what this is. But right now, let us start with this: discover new keywords. So you're going to click on that. Now, there are one of two ways that you could discover or do your research for new keywords. So the first one is you just start with some seed keywords and see what people are already searching with. Or if you have a competitor website, you can put in their URL over here and you can see what keywords they're ranking for. And what are some of the keywords that they're going after on their website, and you could get ideas on what content you want to generate and how you want to go about your SEO strategy. This keyword planner tool exactly so it helps with SEO, both SEO and SEM. SEO is search engine optimization and SEM is search engine management. SEO is more of the organic Google side, and then SEM is more of the PPC Google AdWords of the Google search side. So what you can choose whichever one you want to start with. I'm going to start with keywords over here. So let's say I put in marketing agency Calgary over here. And you can put in maybe more digital marketing courses, let's say. Now, the next thing that you're going to notice over here is you have language. So if you are living in a country where English is not the first language, and if a lot of your um, ideal customers are not speaking in the English language, then you can change the language over here. Also, highly recommend whichever region that you are trying to make a mark in. So whichever region you're trying to service, you want to hone in on that region over here. So Canada would be a very big region for us to go after right now, um, from an SEO SEM perspective in that sense. um, Let us narrow it down. So let's say we go only up to a city level, and you can only go up to city level in this research planner tool. You can go l- smaller than that. You can go to a postal code or a zip code level. When you go into the Google AdWords campaign side, you can go to that level and just target specific neighborhoods and zip codes or postal codes. But in the planner tool, you can't do that. So let me just put in the city for now. And now what I'm essentially doing is I'm saying, start with these seed keywords in the English language for Calgary, Alberta, and I want to see what kind of search volume exists for that. And then I'm going to click on get results over here. And now it's going to give me a list of keywords that people are already searching with um, in Calgary based on these seed keywords that I've given. And then now it is giving me a whole list of related keywords, and is also giving me search volumes, etc., etc. All right, now, so the one of the first things that we would usually recommend you do is um, this is right now sorted by relevance. So the keywords that you put in and how relevant they are, that is how it is sorted by. The first thing that you want to do is filter this keyword list by monthly searches. Anything above 1,000 is a really good, healthy volume of keyword searches. Now, you see over here, there's only between 100 to 1,000. So running Google AdWords for these kind of monthly searches would not be highly advisable, just based on the monthly searches volume, just for Calgary. So basically, what this means is there are not enough people searching with these keywords um, within Calgary right now. And there'll be other things that we also look at right now, but just based on this, the first thing would be not enough volume. Now, the next thing that you want to then understand is Well, if there's not enough volume to run Google AdWords, is there enough, enough volume, and can we make a dent with just organic SEO, an SEO strategy then? So then the next thing you would look at is, let's say, competition. So if you have keywords that are low in monthly searches, um, and then the competition over here is not high, so it's like medium or even low over here, those are good keywords to go after from an SEO perspective. If you have monthly search volume which is very high, like 1,000, 10,000 higher, and the competition is low, those are literally like um, just gold mines for organic, for a SEO strategy, and you really want to go after those. Then the next column that we'll also usually look at is top of page bid, so low range and high range. What this means is how much are advertisers willing to pay to be on the top of the page, and this is starting at the lower range. So depending on the time, the number of people that are bidding, the month of those things, it can go as low as $5 over here to be at the top of the page, but it can also go as high as $16 for this particular keyword. Now, if I arrange this by high range top of page bid, you'll then see that there's a huge range. So it goes from $3 to about $64 over here. So having said that, if you're now going to